this video, we will learn how to simulate an DHT11 sensor with Arduino Uno in Proteus simulation software. For that, open Proteus software and go to schematic capture. Now click here to import an component. Search for Uno. Now you can find an Arduino Uno, click that and click OK. To get a component for a simulation, select that component and click on sheet. We will import DHT11. For that, go to devices and search DHT11. So now you can find DHT11 and click OK. To see the results, we need device called virtual terminal. For that, go to virtual devices and select virtual terminal and place it in simulation sheet. Now we have to make connections between Arduino Uno and virtual terminal. Now we have to make connections between Arduino Uno and DHT11 sensor. DHT11 data pin will connect to Arduino Uno's digital pin 2. Now we have to give power supply for the DHT11. For that, go to terminal mode and select power, connect with VCC of DHT11, and ground should connect with ground of DHT11. Our connection is done. Now we have to program our Arduino Uno. For that, we need a file called hex file. So to get the hex file, we'll go to Arduino IDE. So in Arduino IDE, go to files and examples, search for simple DHT11. In the DHT11, you can find DHT11 default. So click that. Now click verify our program. After verifying, you can see the message called done compiling. Now you can get the hex file from here. This is the file path of hex file. Now copy that file path, Ctrl C, and go to Proteus software. Now click Arduino Uno, right click it and edit properties. Here you should paste that hex file path and click OK. Now click the simulation at the left bottom. Now you can see the serial monitor here. There is some error with our code, so now we'll change the code here. Go to Arduino IDE and go to CEL begin. Now change it to 9600. So now verify that code and get the file path and paste it in your Arduino. Get the file path and paste it in Proteus software. Now you can see the results of DHT11 sensor. You can change the sensor value by increasing or decreasing the value of humidity and temperature.